Hey kids, here's a quick lesson on how to use makebeliefscomics.com. So to start, you just come down here and click on create your own comic. And now you need to name your comic. So I'll just name it My First Comic. And then you got to put your name. Now the first thing you're going to do is pick your background, and there's lots to choose from. You just scroll through like that. So here's my background. The next thing you want to do is pick your character or characters. You might have more than one. So once they're in there, you can move them around. Down here it says scale, so you could use scale. You click on scale, and then you could make your character smaller or bigger. So that's up to you. That's what the scale's for. Then you could also flip your character around. So if I click on flip and then click my character, then he should flip. Now if I want to move him around, I got to click back here where it says move and then drag my character. All right, so now I'm going to click back and pick my next character. So I'm going to pick this person and move them around, but they're facing the wrong direction, so I'm going to click flip, click on them. She looks a little too tall, so I'm going to click the scale button, click my character, and make her a little smaller. All right, so that's how you pick your characters. Then you can choose to have them say something. So here's your text balloons. So let's say I'm going to pick this one for this guy up here. And you could even make your text balloon smaller. And then I want to go back and move it. Got to click on move. And then to write in it, you just click where you saw the words. And then you can start typing. So I'm going to put hello there. How are you today? And then I need her to respond, so I'm going to pick another text balloon. And that one looks too big, so let's delete this. I'm going to click on delete and then click on my text balloon, and then we'll pick a new one. And that still looks kind of big, and it's kind of facing the wrong direction, so I'm going to delete that one. So let's go with this one. And that looks like it works. And then I'm going to click something for this person to say. And so she's saying, I'm doing just fine today. Now, once you want to move on to your next panel, you would just click over here, do the same process. So I pick my background. And then let's say I finished that one. I want to do my third one. And there's my background. And here's how you add an extra panel. You would go over here to the plus or minus. I'm going to click plus to add one. And now I have 4 panels. And I select my background, then my characters. You can also add in objects. Do the same thing. You click on it, and now it's in the page. I can move it around. I can use scale to make it bigger if I want to. I could flip it around. You can also do this. This is one more thing I'll show you. So here's an object, but let's say I don't want Santa to be in front of the foam finger. I could click on the finger and then click bring to front and then click back on the foam finger, and now it's in front of the Santa. So that's another thing that you could do. So again, I hope this helps out, and I hope you have fun making your comic.